In this video, you'll learn how to enable two-step verification on Notion. This process enhances the security of your account by requiring a verification code in addition to your password during login. Follow these steps carefully to ensure your account is well protected. Start by navigating to the Notion website at notion.so. Once the page loads, you will see the homepage with options to either sign in or create an account if you are new to the platform. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the screen. After signing in, look for your profile icon or initials in the top left corner of the interface. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings to proceed to your account settings page. This area allows you to customize various aspects of your Notion account. Next, within the Settings menu, locate and click on the Account tab. This section contains information related to your account details and security settings. After selecting Account, you will see options regarding your account management. Continue by clicking on My Account. This option will lead you to a submenu where you can manage your account settings, including security preferences. Make sure to review any notifications or alerts that may appear, as these can be important for your account security. Now, look for the two-step verification option and click on it. This will direct you to a screen that explains the additional layer of security that two-step verification provides. It is important to read this information carefully to understand how it will affect your login process. Once on the two-step verification page, find the option that says add an additional layer of security to your account during login and click it. This action will prompt you to choose your preferred verification method, which is essential for completing the two-step verification setup. Next, click on Add Verification Method. You will be presented with different options to secure your account. If you have not set a password yet, you will need to do that first. Click on Password to proceed with establishing a password for your account. After selecting password, click on Add Password to create a new password. You will be prompted to enter your desired password and then confirm it by re-entering it. This step is crucial, as a strong password is the foundation of your account's security. Once you have set and confirmed your password, click on Set a Password to finalize this step. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully set. After this, click Close to exit the password setup. Continue by clicking on Add Verification Method, again to choose a second method of verification. This time, select Turn on two-step verification. You will be asked to confirm that you want to enable this feature for your account. After confirming, select the option that says Confirm it's you when you use a password with a verification code. This ensures that each time you log in, you will be prompted for a verification code along with your password. Next, choose Code from Authenticator. This option will require you to use an authentication app to generate a verification code. Click on Scan Code in Authenticator to proceed to the next step. At this point, open your Authenticator app on your mobile device. Use the app's scanning feature to capture the QR code displayed on your screen. This QR code links your Notion account with the Authenticator app for secure code generation. Once scanned, click on Name Your Authenticator and enter the verification code to complete setup. You will need to provide a name for your Authenticator entry and then enter the code generated by the app to finalize the setup process. After entering the code, click on Continue. This action will confirm the setup of your two-step verification. You may also need to repeat the verification process to add another method, so be prepared to follow similar steps for the second method. Finally, you can choose to receive a verification code via text. Click on Text Me a Code and follow the prompts to add your phone number. Enter your phone number to receive a two-step verification code via SMS. Once you have entered your phone number, click on Continue to finalize this method of verification. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully added. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.